Hey guys! It's been a while since I uploaded a video. Sorry about that. Anyways, I hope you all fixed up to the white side. And you can always ask me any doubts in the comment section. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the middle section of the cube. So, on to the video. Okay, so we already have the middles. And we're going to be solving these 4 pieces. Now first, we have to look for the pieces that are on the top row that don't have yellow on them. And remember, we're looking for middle pieces, not the corners. Since yellow is on the top, we just want to ignore that. This piece is a good example. It is orange and blue. Now, if you want to solve this piece, we have to take orange to its home base color. So turn the top row to orange, and you should have a line of the same colors. And now we can solve it. And the way to do that is to first know where it should go. And by just looking at the cube, we can see it needs to go between orange and blue, which is here, between the 2 colors. So now, how do we get this piece here? Well, to do that, we need to know which way it needs to go. That is, to the left or to the right of the center. In my case, it needs to go to the right, because it should be here. Now, what we have to do is move the top row to the opposite direction, that is to the left, like this. Okay, now this is gonna be a bit confusing. If you want, you can slow down the video, or if you're daring, try keeping up. Since it needs to go to the right side, we have to do the right algorithm. That is up, left, down, right. And remember, we have to do this just once, so that this white square will be in the top right corner since I did the right algorithm. Now, the important part, what you have to do is move the whole cube to the place where you want to put that piece. That is, if you want it in the left side, you should move it to the right, so that the white square will be on your right side. I have to move it to the left like this, so that the white square should be in this position, that is to my left. Now we do the algorithm. This time the left, just once. Put that line down, and look, it's fixed. And just do that with the others. Like this one, red and green. Put it to red. Let's go here, so put it to the opposite direction. Go do the algorithm. White square, turn the cube, algorithm, go. Now, you might end up in this situation where the piece is in the right place, but just oriented in a different way. And it's pretty simple to fix that. All you have to do is just imagine that we need this piece to be here. And the way to do that is just putting it in the opposite direction, doing the algorithm just once, the white square, turn the whole cube, do the other algorithm just once, and now that piece earlier should be out. See? And now we can just fix it like normally. There we go, it's solved! Congratulations on solving level 3 of the Rubik's Cube. And if you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section below. And I can't forget, I'm sorry I didn't do this before, but thank you so much for 2,000 subscribers. I'm so delighted and thank you all for your support. So, I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching. Bye!